Coming down into turn 10, there was a GTC Porsche in front of me. I had enough speed to where I probably could have pulled inside of him. And all of a sudden, wham! Huge impact. Thankfully, Nissan and everybody builds a very strong race car. And as you can see in the background, our crew guys are absolutely fantastic.
In fact, the tub was undamaged in any significant way, and as you can see, 24 hours of work and the car is as good as new.
They've been working their tails off, and we already have a race car, and we're going to be back out very soon.